Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a two-time knife. First, you need to conceptualize its dual purpose. Imagine a tool that serves two distinct functions, perhaps one for immediate use and another for a future application. The key is to integrate these functions so they work in harmony, not in conflict. We'll explore how to design for this seamless transition, ensuring your creation is both innovative and highly practical for various scenarios. To define your tool's dual utility, brainstorm its primary and secondary functions. For instance, one function could be precision cutting, while the other might involve a measurement capability. Think about how these two roles can complement each other, making the tool more versatile. The goal is to ensure that neither function diminishes the effectiveness of the other, creating a truly integrated and efficient design. When designing your two-time knife, material selection is paramount. Choose durable alloys, perhaps a high-carbon steel for the blade, and a resilient polymer for the handle, ensuring longevity for both functions. Ergonomics are also crucial. The grip should feel natural whether you're using its primary or secondary feature. Aim for a compact design, approximately 7 inches in overall length, maintaining balance for optimal control. The final stage involves rigorous prototyping and refinement. Construct a working model to test both functions extensively under various conditions. For example, ensure its cutting edge maintains sharpness through 100 uses, and its secondary feature performs accurately over 50 trials. Collect feedback from potential users to identify areas for improvement. This iterative process is essential to perfect your two-time knife, ensuring it meets all design specifications and user expectations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.